Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new home. So I've just gotten the keys, the movers are coming soon, and I'm kind of an old school YouTuber, so I'm gonna do this the good old-fashioned way, and I'm gonna show you an apartment reveal while everything is still empty, and then I will share a full tour once everything is moved in and decorated, which will probably be a couple of weeks. But yeah, I'm so excited. What is moved in already is the most important thing. Phoebe, how are you liking your new home? Huh? You happy? Yeah? I think she's good. She's purring, so that's the main thing. Okay, so let me show you around. I'm standing right by the entrance now. This is a one-bedroom in Vancouver, of course, and I'm so excited about it. It's simple, but it's spacious. It's 740 square feet, which is the perfect size for me because I do quite a lot of work from home with my jewelry and scarf business. Excuse me, would you like to do the tour? Would you? Huh? I guess not. All right, let's get started. So, as you walk in, there's a den. It is nothing super fancy, and it's super dark in here because the lights, for whatever reason, do not actually work. What I love about this room is that it's so much storage. You can see there's so much shelving everywhere. So it's just so nice because you can use it for so many different things. Like it could be a pantry, it could be storage for my business, clothing, but you'll see that that may or may not be necessary given the amazing closet in this place. Beep beep. Shall we move on? Yes, let's. Would you like to lead the way? Yes, all right, Phoebe will lead the way and she will show you into the kitchen, one of my favorite parts of the apartment. So I really love how everything is so open. I feel like I looked at a lot of apartments. I had a really hard time finding this place. It's gotten harder and harder every single time that I've needed an apartment in Vancouver, and I love that it's got this island. I'm gonna do some bar stools. It has a gas stove and everything is just modern and simple, which is exactly how I like it. So I will be doing a lot of chopping here in the future for sure, and yeah, I have a friend coming over for some champagne. We have a lot to celebrate, and we're gonna have a little bit of cheese and fruit, and then the internet is actually going to be installed as well before the movers come. That way all of that is already done. Phoebe is getting a little bit ahead of us, so let me show you the living room area first, and then I'll show you the patio. So I really like the concrete walls. My apartment decor is going to be super girly, chic, and so this will give it a nice masculine edge, as will the black walls, and all my decor is going to be kind of tailored to that and playful with that, so you guys will see all of that in good time. But I will be doing a sectional couch in this area as well as a desk, and then I'm going to be doing some comfy chairs out here, and I can predict that my furry feline is going to enjoy spending a lot of time there as well. So yeah, it's got a really nice little square patio, and it overlooks just like a really green garden area, which is really enjoyable. And then another favorite thing of mine is that the owners actually left this chandelier, which is very West Elm. I don't actually know if it's from there or not, but it overhangs the kind of dining room area. Oh, I left this. This was my tripod for my thumbnail photo, by the way. So here's to being creative. And yeah, this whole area, I'm gonna do a dresser kind of thing and a mirror. Then I'm gonna do a dining area over here. And you can see there is this giant mirror here, which I think will make excellent outfit photos. And if you watch my videos a lot and follow my businesses, this scarf color may look a little bit unfamiliar. So I'll just leave it at that. We'll leave that as a hint. It is a beautiful teal that is very much inspired by my love of that in home decor, and it's basically my favorite color in life in general. It's just like a really beautiful teal jewel tone. So enough about that, enough little hints. I do really like that there's built-ins everywhere in this apartment. It's one of the things that I noticed right away. This corner here has some built-ins, really nice shelving in there with a marble top that I think looks really chic. And then, Phoebe, you're giving the secret away. All right, I'll show you the secret. This is not actually just a mirror. it's a door that leads into the bedroom, and I just love that. I think it's so neat and chic, and for entertaining, you can kind of section things off. It's just a neat modern touch. So this is the bedroom. So it's not enormous, but by Vancouver standards, it's very spacious. That's just some bedding there. And it's got a really nice big window and a TV that the owners left that I will probably never use. And then another favorite part of the apartment of mine, drum roll, are you ready? This is actually a really special moment in my life that I want to share with you. So I've had definitely like an interesting few months. My life has changed so much, and I'm so happy right now. I cannot even begin to tell you guys. I'm just in such a good place. Yeah, I'm just so radiantly happy, and I'm so excited to be in here. I've definitely overloaded myself a little bit these past few weeks. I was in Hawaii. I'd had a wonderful time there. Now I'm back. I'm really busy with work. I'm really busy with my new launch. I am in the middle of moving, almost done with that shortly. And then I will be launching my new things for Nouvelle Pearl and Nouvelle Apparel within the next few weeks. And there's just so much to celebrate. And one of those things to celebrate is that I have always in my life been dying to have a walk-in closet. I don't know why it's such a thing to me. It's definitely, you know, like all about my love for fashion. It's always been a dream of mine, and so I'm so excited to share this moment with you where I finally have one. And I absolutely love how it's done for, you know, a really central urban apartment. It's very spacious, and I really like the layout of it, how there's a lot of shelving, which is great for knitwear or shoes, two things that I have a lot of. And since I have an equally girly cat, she's enjoying it as well. Aren't you? Precious. Yeah, oh, you're so cute. Do you guys want a belly close-up? You're just taking over this video, aren't you? Oh, and I get kisses? Your paws are dirty from the apartment. You are just the star of this video, not the new apartment. You are. Yes, yes, you're the star. Excuse my fur parent moment, guys. Can't help it. And I'm also just back from a trip, so she was with my mom for a week, so I haven't seen her that much. But you can see the built-in extends. So on the side is this awesome shelving and drawers, which is so spacious and deep and awesome. So I've never had that in an apartment before. Usually you have to kind of create your own storage, which is so much harder. So I'm beyond thrilled with this situation, and I cannot wait to maybe do a little closet tour in the future. What do you think? Huh? No interest, but maybe you guys are interested. So I think I've showed you just about everything. I'll finish off with the boring bits, which is washer dryer. Then there's the washroom, which is actually really nice. It's got a really deep tub. It's a little messy right now because all of BB's things are in here on a temporary basis, just because I'll need to put her in here while the movers actually move the furniture in, which hopefully will not take too long. And yeah, there's definitely a black and white theme going on decor-wise, but I absolutely love that. It's got a nice deep tub, and I'm a bath person, so that's amazing. And then this I actually hadn't even noticed until I got the keys. Isn't that awesome? It's kind of low profile and really slim, so you don't even really see it. And it's great for toiletries, so yeah. And then over here, there's a coat closet. And that will fit all of my many winter coats because I'm such a coat person. So I'm going to pan around once more so that you can get a final look before you next see it all decorated and homey. Right, BB? Yeah. You have a super-sized, super comfy couch coming in just a little while. So that is it for my tour of my new home. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited to share this journey with you. Welcome to BB and I's new home, and I will see you very shortly in my next installment. Bye!